Hi everybody, I hope you all are doing good. This is Ejaz once again and right now आज हम रासुल खैमा पे एक नई लॉन्च होने जा रही है with the name of Lapis by the way, which is on Rack Central and we are here and let me show you by the way each and everything about Rack Central and especially about the Lapis because they are going to start their first tower there और Rack Central का जिस आप लोग जानते हैं कि ये एक बड़ा एक फिनोमिनल एरिया होगा रासुल खैमा का। आगे क्या है अभी हम आपको उसकी थोड़ी सी ब्रीफिंग भी बताएंगे कि इसमें प्राइसेस क्या हैं, चीज़ें क्या हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए आप हमारे साथ रहिएगा। And viewers, the best part I would like to tell you is that each and every unit in Lapis is facing sea. That's surprising by the way, because what they have done is look at this area, which is basically the back side of the building. Look at that, because there are all the amenities, pools and all the things. And look at this. Actually, what they've done is actually they have kept all the windows at this side. So every unit, whether it's studio, 1 bed, 2 bed or 3 bed, is basically facing sea. This is a 40 floors building by the way, and beautifully designed. And this is a really attractive thing that every unit you're gonna be having in your portfolio is of facing sea. So this is the penthouse. Usually actually penthouses are made somewhere else on the top, but actually they have given it around here because giving the privacy and all the amenities to privately. So this is a private access to the guys actually who are going to have the penthouse by Lapis. And one more thing, that studio prices are starting from 850,000 dirhams only. This is a 40-floor building, and interestingly what they have done is they have developed a penthouse on the ground level, in fact actually while giving private access to all these so that actually they can enjoy the private kind of amenities. So this is something interesting as well. और जब 2027 में once actually it's going to be launched, at that day it's going to be an amazing. और 2026 सिर्फ एक वो साल है कि जिस पे अगर आप अच्छी इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहेंगे रासुल खैमा के अंदर तो इसका कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन इतना अमेजिंग होगा कि इवन people can't imagine. So this is the right time to invest in रासुल खैमा specifically. मेरा नंबर नीचे दिया गया हुआ है, इस पर आप मुझे कॉल करके तमाम बाकी डिटेल ले सकते हैं।